The current price of Bitcoin right now is roughly $89,000. So at this very moment, right now, as I make this video, the current price is about $89,000. And so in this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and the risks involved if you decide to invest in Bitcoin. So first, let me just say that this is a finance video, so I'm not telling you what you should do with your money. There's an old saying in finance that says, the person who cares most about the money is you, or said another way, nobody cares more about your money than you do, right? And so when you invest in anything, whether it be stocks, bonds, ETFs, CEFs, gold, silver, or cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or other currencies, oil, soybeans, collectibles, art, Magic the Gathering cards, coins, anything, you're always taking a risk. And so with risk comes reward, right? It's always risk versus reward. So in order to make money, you have to take chances. And so investing in Bitcoin is a risk. So the price can do anything, right? It can go down, it can go down a lot more, or it can go up a lot more. And so I think that when people think about Bitcoin, they think it's risky. I remember a couple of years ago, I was talking to a friend, and this is a friend who, he has a lot of money, he has real estate, he has a good job, he's been investing his whole life, he has stocks that he buys, he trades, and I told him that I was looking at Bitcoin. And I think at the time, when I was telling him about Bitcoin, at that time, Bitcoin had already gone up quite a bit, and I think it was in the 60s. It was 65,000 or so. And he says to me, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, oh, isn't that really risky? And I remember when he said that to me, I thought, wow, well, I guess it is risky, right? And I guess I hadn't really thought about, how people view cryptocurrencies. And I think it's because when you look at the price of Bitcoin historically, you can see that it has risen very, very fast, and also has these really sharp drops. So whenever you talk to people on the street, when you talk to people in the real world about cryptocurrencies, their response is always one of fear. And in my view, I think that presents, in some sense, opportunity, because there's a lack of knowledge and there's fear surrounding the asset. And so, as they say, markets climb a wall of worry. That's an old saying in finance as well. And so there is opportunity there, I think, but there's also risk. So if you're watching this video because either you hate Bitcoin, or you love Bitcoin, or you're thinking about investing, or you think it's risky, just know that when you invest in something like Bitcoin, it's just like anything else, right? You're taking a chance. You're taking a chance. What makes Bitcoin special, in my view, from other investments is that it's new, right? It's relatively new, right? It's not something that has been around for eternity like gold or silver. It is a relatively new thing. It's newer than the internet, and it solved many, many problems in cryptography, right? There's a lot of things that Bitcoin does that other forms of digital cash did not do. Even the simple problem of, let's say I have an image on my phone, and I send you that image. I send you a picture of myself to your phone. I also have a copy of that same image. Well, Bitcoin solved the problem that I can send you a Bitcoin, and you have that Bitcoin, and I no longer have that Bitcoin, and it's secure, right? That was something that you couldn't do before Bitcoin, right? Again, think about it, just a simple image. I could send you an image, and we both have a copy of that image, but Bitcoin allows me to send you a Bitcoin, and you have it, and I don't have it. And it does this without an intermediary. There's no bank involved. There's no corporation that can close your account. So this is something that is new and revolutionary. And if you think about when Bitcoin was created during the worst financial crisis of my life. I mean, people were desperate for money when Bitcoin came out. I remember I had a friend who worked at the dollar store in 2009 when Bitcoin came out, when it was created, and people were desperate for money. You know, she said that over 100 people had applied for a job to work as a cashier, which paid a minimum wage at the dollar store. People with degrees, people with PhDs were trying to get jobs at the dollar store. That's how bad the United States economy was. And I think that the creator or creators of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, knew that when they quoted that article from the paper in the Genesis blog about, you know, the banks and the bailouts. So it was kind of like this legendary response to a broken financial system by an anonymous creator, which I think it's kind of creepy and mysterious. And in any case, if you decide to invest in Bitcoin, just know you're taking a risk and the price can do anything. So what do you think about Bitcoin? Do you think that the price is going to go down? Do you think that the price is going to go up? I know I view Bitcoin as, you know, a technological advancement, right? Again, when I took cryptography, in my cryptography book, which I still have, it's a great book, the one by Trapp in Washington, I definitely recommend it if you're trying to learn cryptography. It's a great book. I'll try to remember to leave a link in the description for that book. That book has an entire chapter on digital cash, and nowhere in that book is any mention of Bitcoin. And if you're wondering why, it's because my edition or my copy of that book is pre-Bitcoin. So Bitcoin didn't exist. So Bitcoin solved all kinds of problems in cryptography, all kinds of things that other forms of digital cash couldn't do. And so that's why I think it's kind of interesting. But people look at Bitcoin now and they say, you know, can I buy it to make money? That's really the question everyone wants to know, right? Is it something I should buy to make money? And the answer is this: it's simple. It's a risk, and it's a big risk, right? You can buy Bitcoin today at 89,000, right? You can buy just a little bit. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy $10 worth of Bitcoin, and you know it could collapse, or it could go up. You know, who knows what the future holds? But yeah, what do you think about Bitcoin? Leave a comment. I'm curious to see how many people who watch this content are involved in cryptocurrency. What do you think about it? Many people hate cryptocurrency. I have made cryptocurrency videos on my other channel, but they typically draw, you know, the cryptocurrency community, there's a lot of, you know, there's still a lot of bad stuff surrounding it. You know, early on too, it was that way. You know, early on in the Bitcoin days, a lot of people, just a lot of, you know, bad stuff happens with Bitcoin, right? And crypto. So it got a bad rap. But, you know, as they say, markets climb a wall of worry. So we'll see what the future holds for Bitcoin, and we'll see what happens. Now, you know, you've got these ETFs buying Bitcoin. You've got companies like Strategy buying Bitcoin every week or almost every week. You've got all kinds of things happening with Bitcoin. So, you know, it's gone from being just a few dollars a coin to $89,000 a coin. And I think when a lot of people look at the price changes, they think that they're too late. And I don't know what to say to that, right? I don't know. Because I don't know what the future holds. So what do you think about Bitcoin? Leave a comment in the comment section below. If you want to see more cryptocurrency content, let me know and I'll make more. It's quite interesting. I hope this has been helpful. Take care. And again, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. I'm not saying it's going to go up or go down. Yeah, what do you think? Leave a comment below. Take care.